A successful story of mankind has its roots in the apt choice of career that further requires the best mix of right attitude and relevant aptitude. Both of them can be obtained through quality education, rich infrastructure, dedicated team of experts, funding opportunities, mentoring for admissions, complete career counseling, through highly ethical and student-centric approach. Astute Academy, where all your aspirations are met and future dreams are realized. The only career counseling academy that takes pride in personalized counseling with mentoring programs. It's Dr. Tushar Vinod Devras, who successfully runs the academy for more than 25 years. Highly educated and socially committed, Dr. Devras conducts free career counseling sessions and adapts many students every year who are poor and underprivileged from rural areas. He is successfully running anti-donation campaign for professional institutes like MBBS, MD, engineering and so on.
Astute Academy is running anti-donation campaign across India. Whether the student wants to take admission in MBBS, MD, engineering or any other professional courses, Astute Academy will help them get admit purely on merit. No parents or students should pay any donation to any of the professional institutes in India.
This rare accountability has emerged from Dr. Tushar Vinod Devras' unique burning desire.
Astute Career Counseling Academy is an academy of academicians across globe who guides the students from 9th standard to the PhD. In USA, Dr. Donald Martin, who was a former dean of University of Chicago and Columbia, which are ranked 4th in the world, guide the students for their career choices.
He has made his academy truly unique and global. Has a presence in 20 countries around the globe, including the USA and Germany. Guarantees a 100% success rate in MBBS and engineering admissions in India and abroad. Guarantees MBBS and MD admissions in India without donation, even with low marks. Provides free MBBS in Germany. Provides guaranteed MD admissions in USA and Germany. Apart from its uniqueness, the Astute Academy is keen on providing parents and students with its blend of services. Psychometric analysis test based on emotional quotient from 9th to PhD students. Indian and international admissions in prestigious institutions. Personalized counseling with mentoring program.
Astute Career Counseling Academy believes skills, ability and the personality are the key factors to decide the career choices. Using psychometric analysis, we identify the key skills and ability and the same is matched with the career choices. No career is good or bad. Your growth in the organizations, your promotions and your long-term career goals depends whether you possess the specific skills and ability.
Astute's uniqueness, quality services and highly dedicated efforts of Dr. Tushar Vinod Devras has resulted in plenty of awards and accolades.
My dear friends, India, we have 65% of the population below 35 years. But youth, they are aspirational. They want to see a new India. They want to see a strong India. They want to see a prosperous India. They want to see a happy India. That's why this reformation. And this reformation should happen at the grassroots level. And these are the people who have been identified and felicitated today. They brought the required changes and they could face the challenge. That's why these awards are given. Champions of Change Award.
Dr. Tushar Vinod Devras शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में काफ़ी उल्लेखनीय कार्य इन्होंने किया है। दुनिया भर में 20 अवार्ड इनको पहले मिल चुके हैं। 25 साल से करियर काउंसलिंग में ये प्रयासरत हैं।
Awarded Uttar Maharashtra Ratna by Chief Minister of Maharashtra Shri Devendra Fadnavis. Awarded Best Career Counselor in Asia Pacific by Indo Global Chamber. Awarded Pune's Most Powerful by Times of India Group's Femina. Awarded Pune's Professional Icon Award by Lokmat Group. Awarded Best Career Counseling Academy in India by APS. Awarded Best Entrepreneur of the Year in India, Career Counseling by 24MRC. Awarded Best Career Counselor in India by Global Achievers Foundation. Awarded Best Career Counselor in India by Praxis Media. And many more. Astute's uniqueness is also reflected in its long-term distinct vision to become world's best ethical student-centric organization. With these firm goals, Dr. Tushar Vinod Deoras is convinced about their ethos, which reads as:
Astute Academy believes quality education is the fundamental right of every student. Whether the student possesses the 50-60% marks or 90% marks, he deserves to get a good institution. If you do a mechanical engineering from IIT, you get a great career. But if you do a mechanical engineering from a college which lacks the quality, then you do not get that much great career. Astute Academy helps the student even with less marks to get the admission into top institutions.
It's Astute that promises you the right career path, which unfolds the ethical student-centric program.